if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and if you have just 3 to 5 minutes in a day, I want to reveal a secret that can help you to make a fortune from this free app. As a matter of fact, you don't even need a dime. I mean, you don't need to spend one kobo to benefit from this application. Hi, I'm Prince from Online Hustle Pro. What I do is to make a research on what works, try it, and when it works for me, then I reveal the secrets to you guys to also implement the system and get the same result. Basically, that is what I do. Okay, so now, guys, is something that one can make of use to make a fortune in 2026. It's very early. I don't want you to play with it at all. If you are using an iPhone, the app is not working on iPhone right now, except if you know your way around it, how you can use it, but it's actually strictly for smartphone. Android is strictly for Android. So, and what you want to do is just to open your phone right now, connect, then go to Google Play Store. When you get to Google Play Store, go to search. You type Weko Gems. You want to type Weko Gems. So when you type Weko Gems, you're going to see Weko Gems. This is it, the first one right here. So you see, thank you for this great opportunity. Kudos to the developer. I finally go withdraw. Okay, good. Somebody just go withdraw. This is great. Oh, this is even another person right here. He said, I never believed that this platform can pay for you. I've been using it for a while. So just tested the withdrawal and receive USDT. Wow, that is great. Okay, so now what you want to do next is just to click on install. It has been installed on my own phone already. Okay, so now just click on install. Once you install it, then you see play. Then you want to click on play. You want to click on play, right? When you click sign up, you just need to put your name, put your email address, put your password and your password, confirm the password here. And don't forget my referral code. And if you don't use it, no problem. Let me enter into my own account now. All right, so now I'm back to my own account now. The only thing that you do on this app every blessed day, I can spin here. If you see that there is a spin button here. If I tap on spin and hand, you see that this one is going to spin and give me random gems. That gems is a point that you're going to generate to your own fortune that I want to reveal to you if you don't know before. So now I want to do it again. So you see, it gave me just 8 gems. So I spin that twice in a day. That is in 24 hours. Then, and if you come to where it says subscribe, watch free videos and earn 50 gems now, let me tap on that. This is what it shows. So when you come back to your app, so you can see it just credits me 50 gems now. So you can do this one time in a day. Okay, so then the next thing that you can do here to earn points or gems, let me call it gems. When I say gems, just know that it's a point. So you can see daily booster here. So what you can do here is that if you watch 10 ads, you collect 1,000 gems. So now what you can do there is just to tap here where it says get started. So you can see this ad is already, and that is why it shows that I can close it here. So when I click on that close, it's to show that I just want 1 out of 10 ads. So anytime and I've finished all 10 ads, then it will credit me 1,000 gems immediately here. Then guys, we have another feature, which is referral feature. That is optional. Anyway, if you like, you can continue to be doing it alone. But if you try to tell your friends about this app, I think it's going to favor you as well, because whatever those who you refer earn, any point that they earn every day through the activities, you are going to earn 10% of it according to what is there. They earn 10% of every day from your downline activities. Then you have another feature here on the third tab here. So right, you need to claim, because automatically every 3 hours this feature needs to use to generate automatically for you the points or the gems automatically. So but for you to now claim the gems, you need to tap this place. If I tap it now, when I tap claim 100 gems, it showed this ad and the ad is finished now. So if I close it, you should see that it's going to credit me 100 games. Okay. And in the next 3 hours, I have to come back again. So you can just, check the time right now and do, and schedule it on your alarm, on the alarm on your phone, so that you'll not be missing it. So every 3 hours, it just be reminding you. What you need to do is just to come back here, tap the claim 100 gems. So then we have another feature here where it say earn up to 20,000 naira on TikTok. That is if you know how to make video. Even you can just be dancing, you can talk about the app, just like what I'm doing right now. Do anything to promote the app. Put your referral code on it, and it now says something that is, very amazing, which says, if they talk about us on TikTok and get paid, ensure the video post has more than 5K views before you apply. So it means when you post a video that is when you post a video on TikTok that is to promote this app with your own referral code, remember, you are going to get people that will sign up. And also, when you now have 5,000 plus, you just need to fill this form by entering the TikTok account link. That is your provide account link. Right here, you need to put the TikTok video, that video that you made, and your phone number or email address here, so that they can contact you to pay you, to get your account details and pay you, right? So then you need to click on submit right here. You can see that this is actually amazing, very amazing. And you can make your video, can be dancing, you can do meme, that is like dancing. And if you watch videos on TikTok, you see that people are using different ways to promote product on services. But you can also apply that to promote this app, and you get paid, quick cash, and also build some. So this next page, it shows where you can actually redeem the gems that you have been, making, you have been earning and stacking. So that is why I said it is early now for you to start stacking that coin, right? And this is where I want to show you what I mean about making, fortune about this app. Now, if you want, when it is time that you have a threshold, because now let me show you something first. If you come to the feedback here, you tap on feedback, you see query on frequency, frequently ask questions there. And if I come to what is the maximum, minimum to withdraw, that is 300 gems. When you have 300 gems, then you'll be qualified to redeem that gems to maybe dollar or Arbitrum. But let me advise you, for myself now, my plan is just to be stacking up this Arbitrum, because this Arbitrum is going to blow like Bitcoin. It's going to blow like Ethereum. It's going to blow like BNB. If you know about all this coin before, but even though if you don't know much about Bitcoin, you should have been hearing BTC, that is Bitcoin. So this Arbitrum that I just talked about now, this is opportunity for you and I. This is opportunity for you and I. I'm saying it again. This is opportunity for you and I to be stacking up this Arbitrum right now. So you can just make use of this app. Just engage with it every day, because in the next few years, it's going to become real. The value is going to be high. Imagine if you earn like 2,000 Arbitrum, 2,000 Arbitrum from this app. Imagine that. If you earn 2,000 Arbitrum from the app, and each one, just one unit, out of that 2,000 now become like $50, $100. You can imagine now, multiply that $50, $100 or $100 by 2,000, by 5,000, depending on how many you accumulate. To redeem 300,000 gems to Arbitrum, it means you'll be getting around 250, 200, 250 Arbitrum right here. And imagine if one now become like $50 or $100 in the nearest future. So guys, I'll be teaching you more about this Arbitrum later, but I just want to talk about this application, free application today, that's where you can be earning free Arbitrum. Please don't joke with it. Don't play with it at all. It's going to switch your body. You are going to thank me later about this particular coin that I'm talking about here. Okay, so now that is where You can withdraw it when the time comes. When that time comes, you can actually contact me and I will help you to process. Now you can process the whole withdrawal. But right now, I think this one is not really necessary. But I just want to talk about it as well, so that you know that you can actually withdraw anytime you reach the threshold on this application. And thank God that people has been withdrawing on this application. So can see on this talking about daily winning spot tips and crypto signal. Actually, I have opened it, but they have stopped posting this for something. But the crypto signals, for those who are trading crypto, you can make use of this feature. It's not necessary, but if you are trading crypto, their signal is very, very accurate and good. Okay, because I have tested this several times to see even if what they are actually saying about the crypto is true. But before you can get access to it, you see that they say it will cost you 1,000 gems. That is, out of the gems that you have been stacking here, you are going to use 1,000 to access this. So now let me just use 1,000 to access this, because this is a training. So, and I want you to see how everything works. Okay, now you can see this platform does not give financial advice. Everything you do is at your own risk. You can see the disclaimer. So I want to subscribe to it. So it's just for 24 hours. This 1,000 gems is just for 24 hours. So I start exploring. So I want to go to crypto futures. So you can see their signals is here. You see, this is sports. I told you this is sports, and this is futures. This is futures. This is futures. This is futures, and their signal are quite okay. Okay. All right. So you have all the parameters there. You have only spot that don't put stop loss, but the futures, they normally put stop loss on the future. So guys, this is what I want to refer to you today, and I want you to go right now to Google Play Store to download this app and start using it. If you want to compensate me, you can actually use my code, but you don't use it, no problem about that. What I want is just your success and everybody's success in this year 2026. If you start right now as you're watching this video, you know that before the end of 2026, you know that you also have something great in your wallet. You have been building your wallet, especially about that Arbitrum. Please don't play with Arbitrum. Please don't play with Arbitrum. Try to make use of this app to engage with it every blessed day, to tag Arbitrum token and keep in your wallet. So this is what I have for you. Thank you. I remain yours,